Oh no, this is not cute. Not at all. Hello there, Merry Christmas. So right now I'm headed to the gym. I need to start looking at the camera. I was just looking at myself because I feel like I look so gross. And I'm sorry if I look really gross. I feel like when I vlog I look gross because I'm always going to the gym. I'm trying to do a gym vlog. Anyway, right now it's 9:45. I'm on the way to the gym. Got my headphones. These are actually my boyfriend's. These are really good, by the way. If you're working out, I feel like these will do you good, and it changes your workout. Literally, you can't hear anything. But I got my gym bag. We're heading out now. No, you can't go outside. If I can vlog from the door to my car, then that'll be fun. I feel we're talking, so that's why I kind of lowered my voice. I'm super excited. I actually haven't even picked up. Oh, doggy. Let's not look back here. Oh, this isn't that bad. It's like a little stand, but it's like you can't even see me because of the wheel. But I mean, I could talk to you guys like this. Let me just move my seat up because I'm a little short. Oh no, this is not cute. I guess I'll have to talk to you guys when I get there because this is not okay. All right, made it to the gym. So I did pre-record a video of what I do talk about in my gym bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert that already. So I'm gonna show you guys what I bring with me to the gym. I bring this big bag with me. It's like a beach bag. But there's someone next to me, but I don't care. Or do I? ASMR. I'm bringing with me this Yeti right here. So it just basically keeps your water cold, like literally for 24 hours. Like it's amazing. I think everyone should get one. It keeps your water cold. I wish I would have gotten a bigger one, but then the bigger one would have been like a little too big for me to carry because this is just 16 ounces, and I feel like I finish this really fast, and I really need to refill it, like, all the time. So I just bring this with me to the gym because it keeps my water cold. I take OxyShred. When I first got this, I wasn't really consistent with it. So it's $70. So, I mean, you kind of, like, want to be consistent with it, unless if you got that shmoney. But, yeah, so I saw a difference. I was consistent with it for 2 weeks, but I also added something else, which I will be showing you guys. I was consistent with this and this other thing for 2 weeks, and I saw a difference so fast. Like, it was crazy. Like, my stomach looked big difference in my stomach. I take this once in the morning, and then lately I haven't been doing the second dose, but it says to take once first thing in the morning, 20 minutes before eating, and don't eat for 20 minutes after, and then you take another scoop when you work out. So when I got this, the guy was like, oh yeah, just be careful because you do sweat like crazy. I mean, I am down for that. I'm trying to drop some weight. So I took it, and I immediately noticed a difference, like on the treadmill. I mean, like you would with any pre-workout. I mean, I guess it depends, but this one I had energy, and I don't know if you guys ever taken C4, but when I took it like years ago, I would always feel super itchy. Like right when I would start my workout, I would feel like pins and needles like in my arms, and I don't know, I guess some people like that, but I don't. So with this one, I didn't have any issues with that with this. So this is really good. Another girl I follow on YouTube, Jasmine, uses this, and this is where I actually got the idea from. I recommend you picking this up. It works. It's good. Use it. Doggy! He's taking it into the gym. He's taking a German Shepherd into no. You could bring your dog to the gym? Okay, sorry, I got distracted by a dog going to the gym. The other thing I was saying that I use with the OxyShred is this baby right here. It's the Sweet Sweat. And it's a workout enhancer. So basically, it's like, mine is really gross, sorry. It's like a gel. And you put it all over your problem areas. I put it on my stomach, and I'll put it on my arms. And it comes with a wrap. So it's this right here. This is the wrap for my waist. It's a size medium. After having a success with the wrap, with the stomach wrap and the OxyShred, I decided to pick up on Amazon these they're bands for your arms. So you do the same thing as you would wrap it around your stomach, just wrap it around your arms and put the gel there. And I mean, I haven't really noticed. My arms are like my problem area. Like my stomach is a problem area, but I feel like my arms are more difficult to shed fat from. So I bought these, and I'm actually going to take a measurement of my arms later on just so I can have some progress to show you guys to see if it works. These two things together I recommend as a pair, and that's pretty much all I carry in my bag besides some like junk like change and... Alright, so you guys just saw what I had in my bag, and now it's time to go inside the gym. I'm going to do some cardio today and possibly legs. Just depends how crowded it is in there. I don't like working my legs out when it's super crowded. So I'll see you guys after my workout, and then I'll take you guys through what I eat. It was way too hard to record myself and make food, so here's what I have. I have a piece of toast with hummus. I only use 1 tablespoon. So that's already 100 calories there. And then I have 2 eggs, which I want to say about 70 each. So that's 140 there. And then this chili on top doesn't have any calories. Onions, I don't know how many calories onion has, but I use literally like maybe a tablespoon of onions. This is a good like small little lunch meal. I'll probably have a little snack later, like a yogurt or something, but yeah. This is what I have, and of course I'm drinking water. So this is what I eat pretty much for my first meals of the day. So yeah, I'll see you guys for a snack later.